Hi, I'm Michael. I'm here to show you how to use UNGER's professional cleaning tools correctly and to answer any questions you may have on topics relating to professional window cleaning. Today, I'll explain how a HydroPower Ultra DI filter from UNGER produces pure water that can be used to effortlessly clean dirty glass surfaces without leaving any residue. Regular tap water contains dissolved solids, such as minerals, which can leave limescale and salt residues on glass. Pure water, on the other hand, is water in its purest form. It is created by removing the minerals' impurities from it. These are referred to as TDS, total dissolved solids, and are measured in ppm. This means parts per million. These solids are ions, i.e. positively or negatively charged particles. They become dirt particles when the water evaporates. These can be removed with pure water. Water is considered pure when it is 100% demineralized and its TDS value is therefore 0 ppm. In this state, it dissolves dirt particles, which then flow away with it. The remaining water droplets dry residue-free from the surface. The UNGER HydroPower Ultra DI filter from UNGER removes minerals from tap water using an ion exchanger mixed bed resin. This process is also referred to as complete demineralization. All dissolved ions are removed from the incoming water. Ion exchange takes place using two different resins with opposite charges. The cation resin binds ions such as calcium and sodium and releases a corresponding amount of positively charged hydrogen, ions, H+. The anion resin, in turn, binds ions such as chloride and hydrogen carbonate and releases negatively charged hydrogen ions, OH-. The hydrogen and hydroxide ions dissolved by this process then combine to form neutral H2O, i.e. 100% pure water. Ultra resin packs with Flow Water Technology 2.0 are used for this demineralization, ensuring an efficient flow of water through the entire tank. The HydroPower Ultra DI filter is used in regions with soft or medium-hard water. The smaller UNGER HydroPower Ultra S is ideal for small areas or if you are just starting out with pure water cleaning. If you want to produce pure water for larger areas, we recommend the larger UNGER HydroPower Ultra L. For further information and more videos about pure water cleaning, head to our YouTube channel. Simply subscribe and don't forget to turn on notifications.